It's not too early. It's 6:15. Gotta leave the house at 7:30. Head over to Lambert, get on the airlines, fly to Denver, make a connection there over to Eagle, pick up the XL. Maybe a little issue there because they were expecting snow yesterday, snow today. Talked to them yesterday. They said they were just getting flurries, but right now I'm going to get in some quick exercise. Just do something. Just do something. That's all you got to do. And it is cold out here. Very smooth ride coming over the mountains. It was nice. Okay, got to tidy up just a little bit, but it's not bad. Not bad. The beer cooler goes in here. This cabinet. I don't know if you can see that. That's where the beer cooler is. Top off the ice. Our clearance out of Eagle is fly the Gypsum 5 up to 15,000. We're departing on runway 25, which means that we have an immediate left turn to 215, and that's for obstruction clearance. That takes us away from the mountain that you see right there at 12 o'clock.
Power set, airspeed's alive. 60 knot cross check. B1? BR.
Hello, Eagle Ground, Legacy X-ray Alpha, Charlie Oscar Sierra, ready to taxi, Bill Valley.
Selected.
X-ray Alpha, Charlie Oscar Sierra, Eagle Ground, runway 25, taxi via Alpha, and verify you have echo.
We have echo forward and via Alpha 25, Charlie Oscar Sierra.
Gauge, 215 on the hood.
This leg's being flown by Mike, who's in the right seat. You'll notice off and on that we're getting a little bit airflow noise. That's because the APU is actually running, and you'll notice him shut it down here in about a minute. His right hand will come down in his switch.
Number 2 Quebec, leaving 10,000, contact departure, good day.
10,000, guard departure to Quebec, good day.
Eagle Tower, Desert Flight 1, LDA 25, field side.
Desert Flight 1, Eagle Tower, runway 25, cleared visual approach and cleared to land.
Cleared for the visual, cleared land, Desert Flight 1.
I'm on a hold on the ignition. Boy, that's a tall one out to the left.
Yeah.
Coming up on 10. Number 2 Quebec is at a 10.2 for 15,000.
Number 2 Quebec, never should have ready contact 2 miles south of this OVOR, on to maintain, Papa 260.
I maintain 260 to Quebec.
26, man says.
26. Mission's back to norm.
Number 2, Quebec, leaving 17000, clear at Dixie.
Out of 17000, direct Dixie to Quebec.
Oh, I can't beat that.
No.
Out of 17, direct to Dixie.
Yeah.
Dixie is a navigation waypoint that's 26 miles west of our destination, Spirit of St. Louis.
No 180 Bravo Papa, send me to 14000.
After 4,000, clear Bob Pop.
Thank you.
Okay, confirm you said you have Echo at Eagle?
That's firm.
You would give me direct to Dixie, please.
Alrighty.
There it is.
Direct Dixie.
When you hear me say wing and engine, what you're hearing is me telling the other pilot that I'm turning on the wing and engine anti-ice. That's required to be on anytime the temperature is below 10 degrees centigrade and we're in visible moisture.
Here comes wing and engine.
You do want it on before you enter the icing conditions. You'll notice 2 amber lights come on with the wing and engine anti-ice on the master warning panel on the right. Those signify that the anti-ice for wing and engine is actually cold when it initially comes on. As it heats up, you'll see those lights actually go out, indicating a normal operation.
92.
92.
As we pass through flight level 180, which is 18,000 feet, we set all 3 of the aircraft altimeters to standard barometric pressure, which is 29.92 inches of mercury. That's what we're doing when we say 92.
Control acceptor, Sigma Papa 1 valid until 0347. For portions of Idaho, Wyoming, Nevada, Utah, Colorado. From Muddy Mountain to Denver to 40 miles southeast of Blue Mesa to Delta to 60 miles north-northeast of Coaldale to Battle Mountain to Pocatello to Muddy Mountain. Occasional severe turbulence between flight level 220 and flight level 320 due to wind shear associated with jet stream and mountain wave activity.
Pilot's on.
Alrighty.
For 180 Bravo Papa, your discretion could at full access, maintain 14000 tail flash, clear to LD 1825 approach Eagle.
Our discretion direct to access, maintain 14000, clear for the LD ADME to Eagle. 0 Bravo Pop.
Hello Denver, front 793 is at a 180 for 230.
Approach 5793, Denver Center, climb and maintain about 260.
Alright, climb and maintain level 260, front 793.
Hello Denver, departure Legacy X-Ray Alpha Charlie Oscar Sierra, climbing 10,000 for 15,000.
X-Ray Alpha Charlie Oscar Sierra, Denver Center, Roger, climb and maintain, actually radar contact 2 miles south of the OVOR, climb and maintain about 260.
260 level, climb Charlie Oscar Sierra.
Well, we got a little bit of a tailwind.
I'll take it. That's a good one. 75.
Yeah.
X-Ray Alpha Charlie Oscar Sierra, clear at Big Piney, restaurant change, Bravo, Papa, India.
Direct Bravo, Papa, India, Charlie Oscar Sierra.
Those guys went snowmobiling too.
Oh, they did.
Yeah.
And they
It is
didn't
so much
invite
of
us.
about a 310 they get
They
it put
didn't
in there,
invite us.
ACOS.
They didn't invite us.
Oh no.
I couldn't.
Say again for
This
Charlie
was the
Oscar
first thing that occurred to me.
I just hope that there be a 310 they get it set up if you like.
Anything worth that?
No, it improves in about 8 minutes, I'm pretty sure, just in case flight in.
Thank you.
November 2 Quebec, contact number 7132.85.
3285 to Quebec.
Denver Center Citation to Quebec, set at 24.5 for 260.
Or 2 Quebec, Denver, calling tape flight level 390.
That maintain 390 to Quebec.
$39.
39.
Denver Center, Sun Country 617, checking on, level 400, continuous.
I'll be off in just a moment.
Alright.
Sun Country 617, right. Yeah, the rides are supposed to improve in about 8 minutes for you, but still some occasional lights out.
Roger that. United 1897, on board 350.
United 1897, Denver Center, right.
Well, we might eventually climb out of this stuff.
Yeah, see blue skies.
90 Papa Zulu, contact Denver Center 133.17.
Persistent. Now it's time to take action. Press a button. Press the subscribe, like, Patreon. Click on another video, but take action. Do something. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And as always, fly safe out there. See you guys next time.